Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Seasons of the Witch Mabon Oracle, a brand new release from Lorriane Anderson and Juliet Diaz, illustrated by Tijana Lukovic. And this is published by RockPool, retailing for $24.99 or $95 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. I am so excited to get into this, but first, I will link down in the description box below, as always, where you can purchase this deck should you want to, legitimately. And then I also have a link tree there that will provide you all of my only social media accounts, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot link where I sell my handmade ritual items as well as crochet goodies. So check it all out if you haven't done so already. Okay, let's get into it. I'm so excited. Celebrate the autumn equinox with the energy of Mabon and give thanks for the abundance of Mother Earth, both literally and spiritually. Mabon honors the earth and is a celebration of balance, equality, and harmony. As the wheel of the year comes full circle, Mabon is a good time to set intentions, release tension, and set new personal goals. The cards in this oracle offer intuitive messages rather than invocations. They align with your energy, helping you to unlock your inner wisdom with the assistance of powerful spiritual forces. 44 cards and a guidebook. All right, let's get into it. We've got orange as the theme. Love it. Oh, I'm so excited. And then I will be doing the one that I believe releases in November, the Imbolc. I can never pronounce the Sabbats and the Essabits correctly, so don't come at me. All right, so before we get into the cards, which I'm excited, I see the crows. We're going to read into the guidebook real fast to see what's in store. So we have the introduction, focuses on Mabon and the themes, how to use the cards. We have spreads, and then it goes into the cards and their meanings. I am so excited. So we have the themes and areas of focus are agriculture, ancestral healing, balance and transitions, concentration, endings and mornings, goals and accomplishments, gratitude, grounding, healing and self-care, planning and preparation, sharing and wisdom. All right, so we'll have keywords. They're focus words to help you to understand the heart of the card. They are a handy reference if you prefer to read these cards without the use of the guidebook. And then mini messages. We also know that there are many who are longtime readers who prefer to read their cards without the guidebook, so we've shifted from invocations to mini messages. I love this. Okay. So each card face includes a mini intuitive message that is written by Juliet to give you a glimpse of the card's meanings. This is an excellent way for beginners to start to intuitively read without relying on the written guidance of the booklet. For those of you who read for others, the mini messages, in addition to the keywords, offer a reference guide for you to expand upon your own words. All right, so you can use this beyond the season. Yes, yes, yes. So when you're feeling stagnant or out of alignment, seeking balance, whole different myriad of uses. And then it goes into the reflection card, intention cards, altar cards, so different uses of the deck. And then we have the spreads. So interviewing your deck, 2-card spread, 3-card, apple of my eye cross, and then falling leaves spread, darkness falls, and molasses spread. Wow, there's a lot here. Elderberry spread. Okay, and it expands upon that. And then the maple tree spread. Very cool. So I'm excited about the direction that this is going. All right, so here we go. Here's the back. It is a high gloss. We have the full moon as always. And now instead of hands, bees, or the other versions of this card, we have the crows or the ravens, whatever they are. I can't tell. Maybe you can. And we have orange. I think this is the first time ever I have reviewed a deck with orange foiling on the side here. Gilding, whatever you want to call it. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Okay, let's talk cardstock real fast. It is the same cardstock as they all are. Very flexible. They have that gloss coating to help protect, but it snaps back. I'm sure it's going to shuffle amazing. So I am so excited. Okay. We have the title of what it is, as well as the number, and then a little message. How cute is that? The little mushrooms. Oh my gosh. Cute. I love this already. Oh, fun. Oh, these illustrations are really neat. They're different, fun, feels very warm and inviting. Oh, cranberries. Did you guys know about the cranberry spiders? I didn't know that that was a thing. And they're huge, apparently. So, now I will not be going in any cranberry bogs. Okay, so they are crows. We got the confirmation. They are crows, not ravens. Love it. Ooh. Look at the frame. That's really cool. Little mushrooms in her apron pocket. Just gorgeous. Ooh. Cute. Yeah, it feels very cozy. It feels very inviting, very warm, a little spooky that I'm here for because of the, the season that we're in. I am here for it so far. I think this is fantastic. What a great way to celebrate the seasons and the turn of the wheel. Ooh. Kitchen Witchery. I love this card. Oh, this has to be one of my favorites. I know I say this with each rendition that comes out, but I just love this vibe. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Peppers. Oh, the heartburn. We love peppers. so cozy. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then the orange slice garland. Yes, please. Ooh. That smile is just a smidgen creepy for me. But I like this. This is giving Over the Garden Wall. If you guys have not seen it, I believe HBO Max currently has it. It is my new favorite thing to watch in this season. Just creepy enough, just spooky enough, but it's very nostalgic feeling as well. So I'm getting that from this deck as well. I mean, we have an ice cream truck going on outside. We've got party music. We've got the bass pumping. It's happening outside. Tea magic. Cute. Oh my gosh, she has a monocle. I cannot. Oh, the smoke. Very cool. Ooh. All right, our last one. I love the colors. It's very rich. It feels so comforting and just a tad bit spooky, so I'm here for it. All right. Yes, it shuffles just like the other ones. That orange. Oh my goodness. One more for good measure. All right, let's shuffle this way. Yep, not an issue. Oh, we already got our first card that we're going to read for here. Pumpkin spice and apple cider. Nothing is more nostalgic than the joy of belonging in your presence. All right. Table of contents. Okay, here we go. Keywords: nostalgia, joy, belonging, inner child. Nothing is more nostalgic than the joy of belonging in your presence. Okay. Your higher self chose this card because there are hints from your past that hold the answer to your future. This card presents itself to you when you are feeling confused or questioning your strengths, talents, or perhaps even your life purpose. It might seem as though you have no idea what you should be doing with your life. You may have had a spark of inspiration here or there, but what feels like an aha moment 1 second turns into crippling doubt and fear just as quickly as the thought arrived. Pumpkin spice and apple cider guides you to return to the past when you are searching for clues to your next steps. What did you enjoy doing as a child? What was your answer or answers when asked? Who do you want to be when you grow up? Do you see yourself as an artist? Perhaps it's time to explore different forms of creative expression. Did you see yourself as a farmer? Why not cultivate a small garden? You never know where small steps might lead. A small garden may one day turn into a sprawling farm. Children know the value of incredible dreams, and so did you when you were a child. Don't discount any childhood fantasy, no matter how silly it may seem. One breadcrumb will lead to another, and what was a desire to be an astronaut might simply mean a love of stars. Astrology could fulfill the same love. Allow yourself to imagine anything is possible, because when you do, you give your soul space to uncover the possibilities you didn't even know were there. I really love this. Oh my gosh. And then there's like little recipes in here too. This is fantastic. So this might be my new favorite rendition out of this series. I think it is beautifully done. I love the different age groups that we see. I love the diversity. I love the different aspects that were thrown into this. They fit beautifully together. I love that they're doing a little mini message instead of an invocation. I think that's great too for all stages of readers. Whether you're a beginner or, you know, been doing this for eons, this is fantastic. I think it's beautiful. I think this is a wonderful gift to give yourself for the season of Mabon to add to your collection. I am so excited to get to know this a little bit more. Now I'm going to turn it over to you guys. What do you think of this deck? Are you excited about it? Do you own any of the other renditions of Seasons of the Witch? Is this your new favorite version? I am still loving the Beltane one. I think it's beautifully done as well. So yeah, I think each deck, they're getting better and better. So I'm really excited to see what this next one's going to be. So let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop me a leaf emoji in your comment too. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And join me on all of my social medias as well. I swear I'm more active and I will be more active as time goes by. So thank you so much again. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.